I'm joined by Alan Roberts, Production Director at Coachman. Hi Alan.
Hi.
Thanks for your time today. What can you tell us about the way in which Coachman are building their caravans for 2015?
We are now fully bonded. All our caravans that we build are fully bonded. But this process has taken us probably 5 years to get to this stage. So we've had to do tests to now get to the point where we have no screws in any other caravan sides we build. This stops the caravans leaking because they don't have a path to find a way into the caravans. We've also introduced PU, which replaces the timber in the sides. This is a water repellent PU, which also helps with water ingress.
So Alan, how do you ensure what comes off of your production line is perfect?
Well, we have 3 inspectors on the line. They're at key positions down the line, and their job is to make sure that all our operatives do the job correctly. If the lad that's doing a certain job doesn't, it will be called a snag, and he'll have to go down and put that job right.
Sounds a bit harsh.
But yeah, I mean, it works. They all know that that's, if they do something wrong, they've got to go and put it right.
You've got quite a few guys with experience here, haven't you?
Yeah, we've had lads that have been worked for years and years. But we have introduced an apprenticeship scheme over the last few years as well, so we are bringing younger people through into the trade. Taking it a step further, we also test our vans for gas, water and electric for 8.5 hours minimum.
Each caravan?
Each caravan.
Blimey.
If they pass the test, that's fine, they'll go on to the yard ready for dispatch. But if not, depending on which item it is, that will get rectified and then signed off, ready to go.
So what sort of tests do you perform?
It's gas, water and electric.
Okay.
So if there's a gas leak, that'll get picked up as the same as the water. But the caravan is fully working and it goes through the 8.5 hour test.
It's quite impressive that every single caravan that comes off of your production line is put through that rigorous testing.
Yeah, well, our thoughts are that obviously when it gets to the dealer and the customer, they don't want to have the problems. So we make sure that when they get the caravan to the dealer or the site, that everything is working.
So with all this going on, how's this affected the final quality of your caravans?
Well, I think caravans over the year have had a bad press with water ingress. We hopefully know that we've gone to this fully bonded shell, that's the thing of the past. And we've also looked at reducing the weights of our caravans, and that's an ongoing project.
Oh, excellent, great. Look forward to seeing that. Alan, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.